Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDS.com. Recently, we released a video showing you how to install our Paladin optic here in the lower intake space of a 2015 Ford F-150 with the EcoBoost variant engine. Now, this bar also will mount on the non-EcoBoost variants with this fully enclosed cover here. So check out our other video that shows you the complete install. This video is just to show you how to get this bar into the fully enclosed cover here instead of the 2-column setup. It's easy. We just got to make an opening for the bar, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. Okay, to get this lower intake guard prepared to mount our bar, there's really only two things that we need to do. One, we need to remove this center piece along my finger, basically to the base or the top of this protruding bar here, and the base of this top protruding bar. We're going to remove this entire rectangle. And then we just need to drill 2 holes in the sides to mount our bar. In order to remove this center piece, we're going to be using a Dremel, but you can use a hacksaw or any kind of cutting device because this plastic does cut very easily. Okay, so just to show you a little bit closer, again, this is the area, this rectangle here is what we're going to be removing. And again, you can use any kind of cutting device. This plastic is pretty soft, pretty easy to cut. We're just going to use a kind of a low-powered Dremel here just to work our way around the edge, on the bottom here, the top, and then we'll get the sides cut out. And then we can put our mounting holes on the sides of our bracket here. Okay, now that we've got our centerpiece removed from our lower intake bracket here, we just need to make 2 small little drill holes here so we can mount our bar. So we're gonna go ahead and right where this starts to dovetail, so count that as the top, and then to the top of this opening, we're gonna make a mark right here in the center, and then we're gonna use a 3/8 inch drill bit and make our hole for mounting our bar. So go ahead and make your mark here, basically in the center where this cover starts to dovetail over and the top of that opening. Both sides. And then we're going to use a 3/8 inch drill bit. Just make our hole here. This plastic is soft. It's going to drill in easily. So like so. And then we'll swap to our other side. Now we're ready to mount our bar into our modified bracket. So go ahead and grab the smaller bolts, run your lock washer, and then run a nut over the top of that lock washer. And now we'll use these bolts on the side of our bars to mount it to our modified lower intake bracket from the back side here. So that's all there is to getting our lower intake bar installed onto a full coverage lower intake cover for your non-EcoBoost 2015 to 17 Ford F-150 trucks. Be sure to check out our full and complete installation video for this lower intake bar that's going to show you how to get that lower intake off and back on, as well as how to use our custom harness to wire up this bar to your battery and to the switch inside your cab. We highly recommend this product. Check it out at F150LEDS.com. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.